Number 1.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,495. This truck is powered by a recently installed 5.7L V8 engine with approximately 150,000 miles and is paired with an automatic transmission. The truck currently shows 164,000 miles on the chassis and runs and drives well. Finished in white with a clean blue interior, it presents nicely and has been well maintained for its age. Recent updates include a new exhaust system, and the truck has a current state inspection, making it ready to be enjoyed immediately. The interior remains clean and comfortable, while the exterior paint still looks good and retains a strong appearance for a vehicle of its vintage.
Powered by a gasoline engine, this classic Chevrolet pickup offers dependable performance, classic styling, and everyday drivability. Number 2.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $6,999, powered by its original gasoline engine and automatic transmission, showing just 105,000 miles. Finished in white with a black interior, the truck has been well maintained and remains in beautiful overall condition. The Ranger has received numerous upgrades and replacements, including new headlights and taillights, a new grille, header panel, front and rear bumpers, radiator, headliner, and a spray-in bedliner. Additional recent maintenance includes a new catalytic converter and purge valve for the EVAP system. The truck features cold air conditioning, hot heat, and a touchscreen Bluetooth radio unit, making it comfortable and convenient for daily driving. With its original engine and transmission, low mileage, and clean appearance, this Ranger stands out as a solid example of a classic compact pickup.
Number 3.
2000 Toyota Tacoma, price $9,500, with only 117,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior, it is powered by Toyota's durable 2.4L2RZFA inline-4 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. The truck comes with a clean title and has been carefully maintained. The tires were replaced approximately 2 months ago and are still nearly brand new. Known for its legendary reliability, this Tacoma has proven itself to be one of the most dependable vehicles in its owner's lineup despite being the oldest. Inside, the cabin is in mint condition, showing exceptional care over the years. It is also equipped with a JVC aftermarket Bluetooth stereo, providing modern connectivity while maintaining the truck's classic appeal.
Number 4.
1972 Chevrolet C20, price $9,900. This truck is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 161,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in orange with a black interior, this gasoline-powered classic truck features a Pertronix electronic ignition, ceramic-coated headers, a freshly rebuilt quadrajet carburetor, an Edelbrock aluminum intake, and Edelbrock valve covers. The transmission has been rebuilt and upgraded with a shift kit, while the driveline was also recently rebuilt. Inside, it features re-upholstered black vinyl seats, a new dash pad, instrument bezel, rubber floor mat, and a wood steering wheel. The truck retains its factory AC, which may need a recharge, and the AM radio may work with a new antenna. Some rust is present around the door sills, but replacement panels and an extra tailgate are included with the sale.
Number 5.
1988 Ford F-150, price $8,900. This truck is equipped with a 5.0L V8 gasoline engine, automatic transmission, and 2WD drivetrain. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the truck is reported to start reliably every time and remains in good overall condition. Recent maintenance and upgrades include a fresh paint job, dual electric cooling fans, new alternator, spark plugs and wires, coolant flush, battery, serpentine belt, coolant reservoir, and quality tires. It also features aftermarket power windows and remote door locks. The seats are in good condition, and the AC works perfectly. The owner notes that the speedometer cable recently broke and the odometer reading may not be accurate. The truck comes with a clean title.
Number 6.
1993 Ford F-150, price $8,000, finished in black with a gray interior. This gasoline-powered pickup has been well maintained over the years. It runs strong, starts reliably, and has been stored during the winter months, helping preserve its overall condition. The truck shows little to no rust, with only a few minor spots visible, while the lower body remains clean and solid. It has a couple of small dings and scratches consistent with its age. Mechanically, it runs well, although it has a minor power steering fluid leak. The interior shows some wear, including small tears in the seat and headliner, and the dashboard is cracked, which is why a dash cover has been installed. The windshield washer fluid hose has a small hole but remains functional. Both the front and rear bumpers could benefit from a fresh coat of paint.
Number 7.
2002 Ford Ranger, price $3,800. This truck is powered by a reliable 3.0L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It has only 96,000 original miles and has been owned by just 2 previous owners. According to the Clean Carfax report, the truck has no accident history, adding to its appeal as a well-maintained pickup. Finished in red with a gray interior, this Ranger features a 6-foot bed, power windows, and a rear sliding window for added convenience. The air conditioning blows cold, and the heater works properly, ensuring comfort in all seasons. The truck runs and drives well, delivering dependable performance both around town and on the highway. While it does have some cosmetic body imperfections and areas of rust consistent with its age, it remains a solid running and dependable truck. With its low mileage, clean history, and practical features, this Ford Ranger is a great option for anyone looking for an affordable and reliable pickup.
Number 8.
1989 Dodge D250, price $3,200. This truck is powered by a reliable 5.9L gasoline V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a brown exterior with a tan interior, this classic Dodge pickup has just 67,424 actual miles and has remained in the same family for many years. The truck runs well and shifts smoothly. It received a new master cylinder a few years ago and is equipped with a good set of tires. For its age, it has only limited rust, and the body presents well overall. The vehicle comes with a clean title. The current owner notes that there is a leaking freeze plug toward the rear of the engine. But aside from that issue, the truck remains a solid and well-preserved example of a late 1980s Dodge pickup.
Number 9.
1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $4,995. This truck is a solid, well-maintained pickup that runs great and performs strong. It has 174,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a dependable automatic transmission and a gasoline-powered engine. Finished in white with a gray interior, this truck presents well both inside and out. The seller states that the truck is completely rust-free and has been kept in excellent condition. It features ice-cold air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity for added convenience, and continues to run strong with no known issues. With its reliable performance, clean appearance, and desirable rust-free body, this Dodge Ram 1500 is ready for daily driving, work duties, or weekend use.
Number 10.
1998 Dodge Dakota, price $2,950, powered by a dependable V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and has approximately 137,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in green with a gray interior, this 4x4 pickup runs well and is ready for its next owner. The truck appears to have had the AC compressor replaced, as it shows a fresh marking. The transmission shifts through all gears, however. When approaching the shift into third gear, the next gear may not engage immediately unless the driver eases off the accelerator slightly. Despite this issue, all gears do engage. Overall, this Dakota presents as a solid running 4-wheel drive truck with relatively low mileage for its age, making it a practical option for someone looking for an affordable and capable pickup.